When considering kitchen renovations, Kitchener-Waterloo homeowners often ask, how much does it cost to install new kitchen appliances? It's a crucial question because the cost of appliances can significantly impact your renovation budget. In the Kitchener-Waterloo area, where home values and lifestyles are constantly evolving, knowing the potential costs up front helps you plan effectively and avoid unexpected surprises. This article dives into the specifics of what you can expect to pay when adding new appliances to your kitchen. We'll explore average costs for popular appliances like refrigerators, ovens, dishwashers, and more, tailored to the local market. Additionally, we'll discuss factors that can affect installation costs, including appliance type, brand options, and the complexity of the installation process. Our goal is to equip you with the information you need to make savvy decisions, whether you're simply upgrading a single appliance or embarking on a full-scale kitchen renovation. With the right knowledge, you can confidently choose appliances that not only fit your budget, but also enhance the functionality and style of your kitchen. Stay tuned as we break down the numbers and offer insights that will guide you through your kitchen renovation journey in Kitchener-Waterloo. Understanding the average cost of kitchen appliances in Kitchener-Waterloo. When planning kitchen renovations in Kitchener-Waterloo, understanding the cost of new appliances is crucial for setting a realistic budget. The price of kitchen appliances can vary significantly based on brand, features, and energy efficiency. On average, homeowners in the Kitchener-Waterloo area can expect to spend anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000 on new kitchen appliances, depending on their choices. This range includes essential items such as a refrigerator, stove, dishwasher, and microwave. High-end brands or additional features like smart technology can push costs toward the higher end of the spectrum. One of the key decisions homeowners face is whether to opt for high-efficiency appliances. While these options often come with a higher upfront cost, they can lead to significant energy savings over time, which is an important consideration given the rising utility costs in Ontario. Energy-efficient models are also eligible for various rebates and incentives, which can help offset the initial expense. Additionally, choosing the right size and style to fit your kitchen layout is vital to avoid unnecessary expenses on modifications or adjustments during installation. Consider timing your purchase with major sales events such as Black Friday or Boxing Day to take advantage of significant discounts. Research local appliance stores in Kitchener-Waterloo for potential package deals when buying multiple appliances, as this can lead to significant savings. Check for government rebates on energy-efficient appliances to reduce the overall cost. Think about long-term savings. Opting for energy-efficient models can decrease utility bills over time. Consult with a local renovation expert to ensure the appliances you choose will fit seamlessly with your kitchen layout and design. Budgeting for your kitchen renovation. Appliance costs in Kitchener-Waterloo. When planning kitchen renovations in Kitchener-Waterloo, budgeting for new appliances is a crucial step that can significantly impact the overall cost. The price range for kitchen appliances varies widely based on factors such as brand, model, and features. On average, homeowners in the Kitchener-Waterloo area might spend anywhere from $3,000 to $15,000 on new appliances, depending on their preferences and needs. High-end models with advanced technology can cost even more, but there are also budget-friendly options that offer good performance at a lower price point. Choosing the right appliances involves considering your lifestyle and cooking habits. For instance, a family that enjoys cooking gourmet meals may prioritize a high-performance range and a spacious refrigerator, while a single professional might focus on energy-efficient models that are smaller and more compact. Working with experienced local professionals, such as the Kitchen and Bath Reno guys, can help you navigate these choices and find appliances that fit your budget while meeting your functional needs. Consider energy-efficient models to save on utility bills over time, even if the initial cost is higher. Look for local sales or discounts on last year's models, which can offer significant savings without sacrificing quality. Factor in installation costs, as some appliances may require professional setup, which can add to your expenses. Think about long-term maintenance and warranty options, as these can affect the overall value of your investment. Consult with a local renovation expert to ensure your new appliances are compatible with your kitchen layout and design. Top local retailers for kitchen appliances in Kitchener-Waterloo. When planning kitchen renovations in Kitchener-Waterloo, selecting the right appliances is crucial to achieving both functionality and style. Fortunately, the region is home to several reputable retailers that offer a wide range of kitchen appliances to fit various budgets and preferences. Whether you're looking for high-end brands or budget-friendly options, you'll find what you need locally. Here are some of the top retailers in the area to consider. Goman's Appliances in Kitchener is a popular choice for those seeking a broad selection of kitchen appliances. They offer everything from luxury brands to more affordable choices, ensuring that you can find products that align with your renovation goals. Their knowledgeable staff can guide you in choosing appliances that fit your kitchen's design and functional needs. Another option is Lowe's Home Improvement, located in Cambridge, which provides a variety of appliances along with frequent sales and discounts, making it a great place for budget-conscious homeowners. If you're looking for personalized service, consider visiting TA Appliance in Waterloo. Known for their customer service, they offer a curated selection of appliances and have staff who can provide expert advice on the latest kitchen trends. Whether you are renovating a small kitchen or designing a chef's paradise, these local retailers can help you find the perfect appliances for your space. Compare prices and features across multiple stores to ensure you're getting the best deal for your kitchen renovations in Kitchener-Waterloo. Look for seasonal sales and promotions, especially during holidays, to take advantage of potential cost savings. Ask retailers about installation services and warranties to protect your investment and ensure a hassle-free experience. Consider energy-efficient appliances to save on utility bills in the long run. Don't hesitate to negotiate prices or ask about price matching to maximize your renovation budget. How to save money on installation fees in Kitchener-Waterloo. Kitchen renovations in Kitchener-Waterloo can be a significant investment, especially when it comes to installing new appliances. However, there are several strategies homeowners can use to reduce installation fees without compromising on quality. Understanding local resources and leveraging available options can result in substantial savings. This section will explore practical ways to cut costs while ensuring your new kitchen appliances are installed efficiently and safely. One of the most effective ways to save on installation fees is to consider bundling services. Many contractors in the Kitchener-Waterloo area offer discounts when you hire them for multiple tasks, such as installing cabinets or countertops alongside your new appliances. Additionally, consider scheduling your installation during the off-peak season, typically late fall or winter, when demand for renovation services is lower. This timing can often lead to more competitive pricing from contractors eager to fill their schedules. Research local contractors. Take the time to compare quotes from multiple local contractors. Get at least 3 estimates and ask about any available discounts or package deals. DIY where possible. If you're handy, consider handling some of the simpler installations yourself, such as hooking up a refrigerator or microwave. Just make sure you are compliant with local building codes and safety standards. Leverage manufacturer offers. Sometimes, manufacturers offer discounted or even free installation as part of a promotion. Be sure to inquire about any current offers when purchasing your appliances. Community programs. Look into any local trade schools or community programs that might offer discounted services for training purposes, under professional supervision. Negotiate. Don't be afraid to negotiate with contractors and installers. In many cases, they might be willing to lower their rates to secure your business. By implementing these strategies, homeowners in Kitchener-Waterloo can effectively manage their kitchen renovation costs while ensuring a smooth installation process for their new appliances. Remember, a bit of research and strategic planning can lead to significant savings. How costs compare across Kitchener, Waterloo, and Cambridge. When planning kitchen renovations in Kitchener-Waterloo, the cost of installing new kitchen appliances can vary significantly depending on the specific city and the age of the home. In Kitchener, where many homes date back to pre-1960s, Older plumbing and electrical systems can lead to installation costs ranging from $500 to $2,500 per appliance. Homeowners in older wards may need to invest in additional upgrades to accommodate modern appliances, which can drive up the overall renovation budget. In Waterloo, where the majority of homes were built post-1980s, installation costs tend to be more predictable and generally range from $400 to $1,800 per appliance. The newer construction typically features updated infrastructure that can accommodate contemporary appliances with fewer modifications, making it easier to plan and budget for kitchen renovations. This predictability is a significant advantage for homeowners looking to manage costs effectively. Meanwhile, in Cambridge, particularly in areas like Galt, Hespeler, and Preston, the century-old homes often require extensive updates to accommodate new appliances. Similar to Kitchener, installation costs in Cambridge can range from $600 to $2,700 per appliance, largely due to the necessity of updating outdated systems. Homeowners should be prepared for potential additional expenses related to updating wiring or plumbing to support modern kitchen setups. Consult with a local contractor who understands the specific challenges of your home's age and location. Consider the long-term benefits of upgrading infrastructure when replacing appliances, particularly in older homes. Plan for potential additional costs if your home requires significant updates to accommodate new appliances. Get multiple quotes to compare costs and ensure you're getting the best deal for your renovation project. Invest in energy-efficient appliances to help offset installation costs through future energy savings. Ready to transform your kitchen with new appliances? At Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys, Kitchener Waterloo, we are here to help you navigate the costs and options. Whether you're planning a full renovation or just upgrading your appliances, our team is ready to assist. Visit Kitchen Renovations Kitchener Waterloo to learn more about our services or check our Google page for reviews. Call us today at 226-894-0234 or visit kitchenandbathrenoguys.ca to book your free estimate or get a quote.